Pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Paris. In today's video I will be doing a little early Christmas unboxing from Amazon. So I thought I would share a few things with you. Let's get into it. Okay, now this is very special to me because my husband invested in me. Okay,
I invest in women. I add value to you. And
he believed in me just as much as I believe in myself. And even when I have bad days and I don't believe in myself, he still believes in me. So he got me a little Christmas gift. Okay, so I'm so excited. So excited. He got me a Sony. I know he's tired of hearing me talk about it, but this is what I wanted. It is the Sony ZV1F. So we're excited to open this. The tripod to go with it. I think this is the case cover, but I'll unbox it. And we got us a wide angle lens. And everything will be put down below. And this is the extra batteries. Have the charger. He's so pretty. The mic, the battery, this is what the battery looks like. Like I've looked at a lot of cameras and I tried to determine what was great for me as a beginner camera. And then of course I have one that I really want, but I'm not at that stage in my content creator yet to where I'm ready for that just yet, but we'll see. But I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing. The skin. And of course I still have to set this up. So I still gotta put the mic and stuff on, get the SD card and everything for this camera. Of course I'll have a separate video with trying to set this up, so if you look forward to seeing that, then definitely subscribe. And I'll do all the specs and everything on it. But I just wanted to let you guys see what my husband got me and everything. Yeah. But if you like today's video, do not forget to hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so that you do not miss any future videos. And thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.